Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted. And yeah, that's how it's done. So as you can see, it's actually not restarting, but it's just forcefully turning off. And then to turn it back on, you have to hold down power key once again, and now it will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.